हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम माय यूट्यूब चैनल सुपर अमेजिंग वे। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे सॉलिड स्टेट एंड न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स के महत्वपूर्ण ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन जो आपके यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम बीएससी में काफ़ी हेल्प करेंगे। तो देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द नंबर ऑफ एटम्स पर यूनिट सेल इन सिंपल क्यूबिक लैटिस इज 1। दूसरा, द नंबर ऑफ एटम्स पर यूनिट सेल इन बीसीसी लैटिस इज, ऑप्शन बी सही है 2। तीसरा क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, द नंबर ऑफ एटम्स पर यूनिट सेल इन एफसीसी लैटिस इज, ऑप्शन सी सही है 4। 4 नंबर, द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ NaCl इज, ऑप्शन सी सही है एफसीसी। 5 नंबर, the number of molecules per unit cell in NaCl lattice is, एक ऑप्शन सी सही है 4। 6 नंबर, the space lattice of diamond is, ऑप्शन सी सही है FCC with 2 atoms per unit cell। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, the coordination number of BCC lattice is, ऑप्शन सी सही है 8। the coordination number of FCC lattice is, डी ऑप्शन सही है 12। 10 नंबर, द एटॉमिक रेडियस ऑफ सिंपल क्यूबिक लैटिस इज, ऑप्शन ए सही है A/2। 11 नंबर, द एटॉमिक रेडियस ऑफ BCC लैटिस इज, ऑप्शन बी सही है √3A/4। 12 नंबर देखते हैं, द मैक्सिमम प्रोपोजिशन ऑफ अवेलेबल वॉल्यूम विच मे बी फिल्ड बाय हार्ड स्फीयर्स अरेंज्ड इन वेरियस स्ट्रक्चर इज, ऑप्शन ए सही है सिंपल क्यूबिक। 13 नंबर, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज ग्रेटेस्ट पैकिंग फ्रैक्शन, तो इसका ऑप्शन सी सही है FCC। 14 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, एटॉमिक पैकिंग फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सिंपल क्यूबिक इज, ऑप्शन बी सही है π/6। 15 नंबर, इफ n is number of lattice points per unit cell, A atomic weight, n Avogadro number, rho is density, then lattice constant A is given by A, तो इसका सी ऑप्शन सही है Na/N इंटू रो का होल 1/3। 16 नंबर, कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर फॉर NaCl स्ट्रक्चर इज 6, ए ऑप्शन सही है। 17 नंबर, Miller indices of set of parallel planes which makes intercept in the ratio 3:4b on the x and y axis and are parallel to z axis are, तो इसका ऑप्शन बी सही है 4,3,0। 18 नंबर, द नंबर ऑफ नियरेस्ट नेबर्स इन FCC लैटिस इज, तो इसका ऑप्शन ए सही है 6। ब्रेक्स इक्वेशन फॉर डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैक्सिमा ऑफ एक्स रेज डिफ्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम ए क्रिस्टल इज, बी ऑप्शन सही है 2d sin थीटा इक्वल टू n लैम्डा। ब्रेक्स इक्वेशन 2d sin थीटा इक्वल टू n लैम्डा हैज नो सोल्यूशन फॉर वेवलेंथ लैम्डा इफ लैम्डा, बी ऑप्शन सही है लैम्डा ग्रेटर देन 2d। ब्रेक्स कंडीशन इन टर्म ऑफ रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस इज, डी ऑप्शन सही है 2 वेक्टर k डॉट वेक्टर g प्लस g² बराबर 0। 4 नंबर, द लेंथ ऑफ ईच वेक्टर ऑफ रेसिप्रोकल लैटिस इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू, बी ऑप्शन सही है 1/d HKL। 5 नंबर, द ब्रेक्स ला इज, सी ऑप्शन सही है 2 लैम्डा इनवर्स d इक्वल टू n cosec थीटा। 6 नंबर, द मैक्सिमम वेवलेंथ ऑफ एक्स-रेज which can be diffracted by a crystal of spacing d equal to 2.5 एंगस्ट्रॉम इज, सी ऑप्शन सही है 5 एंगस्ट्रॉम। 7 नंबर, द फर्स्ट Bouillon's zone is a region bounded by, बी ऑप्शन सही है kx इक्वल टू ±π/a, ky इक्वल टू ±π/a। forces is a rock in a rock salt crystal are a ionic. Ionic bonding exists in NaCl, LiF, CaO, all of above. D option सही है. HF crystal is hydrogen bonded crystal. Van der Waals crystal is argon. Example of ionic crystal is NaCl. C option सही है. ZNS processes. C option सही है. Mixture of ionic and covalent bonding. 7 number. The unit of Maudlin constant is D option सही है. None of these. Example of covalent bonding is A option सही है. Germanium. और 9 number molecular bonding is in option D सही है. All of above. The example of covalent crystal is B option सही. Silicon. Which of the following bonds are directional? B option सही. Covalent. The strongest bond is C option सही. Ionic. According to Dulong and Petit's law, the average energy of an atom of a solid at temperature T is called D option सही है. 3 kT. In a solid, an atom has D option सही. 3 degrees of freedom. According to Dulong and Petit's law, the atomic height of an element of constant volume. D option सही is constant. Einstein's theory of specific heat assumes that the atoms of a solid vibrate simply harmonically. Option A सही है. All with the same frequency. Einstein theory of specific heat. B option सही. Accept same frequencies of all molecular vibration. Einstein frequency for case He equal to 236 Kelvin is C is equals to 236 K is इसका C ऑप्शन सही है. 5 into 10 to power 12 second inverse. The maximum frequency of wave that can propagate with speed v through a one-dimensional lattice constant A is v upon pi a. C option सही है. The range of first Brillouin's zone is A option सही है. pi by a less than k less than 2 pi upon a. The energy of a phonon is h bar omega. The quanta of energy in lattice vibration is called phonon. A phonon has all above characteristics is the quantum of A option सही. B सही है. C मतलब 4 ऑप्शन सही है. An electron in a solid move in a region of periodically varying potential. The various energy band in metals. A option सही. Overlap. The various energy band in solids. C option सही. May or may not overlap. If valence band is partially filled, then the solid is conductor. According to Weidmann-French relation, the ratio of thermal and electrical conductivity is directly proportional to B option say T. A large number of free electrons exist is A option say metals. Pure semiconductors material at a temperature of 0 Kelvin is D option say an insulator. P type of semiconductor material is A option सही है. Silicon doped with indium. 9 number. When a pentavalent impurity atom is added to silicon, C option सही है. A n type semiconductor is formed. In a semiconductor, the energy gap between valence band and conduction band is nearly A option सही है. 1 electron volt. A semiconductor that is electrically neutral. B option say has equal amount of positive and negative charges. Resistivity of a semiconductor depend upon atomic number of semiconductor. Conduction of electron have more mobility than holes because they are D option सही need less energy to move them. When temperature of intrinsic semiconductor is increased, A option सही energy of the atom is increased. Doping is very important in semiconductor because it C option सही changes the crystal structure of pure semiconductor. In a p-type semiconductor, there are immovable negative ion. In n-type semiconductor, the concentration of minority charge carrier depends upon C option सही the temperature of materials. 18 नंबर ए पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर इज सी ऑप्शन सही इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल. 19 नंबर ए एट एब्सोल्यूट जीरो टेम्परेचर इंट्रिंसिक सेमीकंडक्टर बिहेव एज इंसुलेटर. डी ऑप्शन सही है. 20 नंबर which atom should be doped in pure silicon to make a p-type semiconductor. C option सही boron. At 0 Kelvin temperature, an intrinsic semiconductor has D option say no hole and no free electrons. When proper impurity is added to an intrinsic semiconductor, the resistance of the semiconductor B option say decreases. An n-type semiconductor as a whole is electrically neutral. P-type semiconductor has a majority of carriers of positively charged. B option say a solid has band gap of 1 electron volt between valence and conduction band. The solid will be C option say semiconductor. At T equal to 0 Kelvin, a pure silicon crystal we have as a B option say perfect bed conductor. In a unbiased PN junction with a depletion layer is of the order of 1 micron. 28 number in a p-type semiconductor the conduction of electricity is on account of B option say hole. In an unbiased p-n junction the depletion layer contains D option say both electron and holes. Potential barrier of silicon doped at 25 degrees centigrade. Temperature is D option say 0.7 volt. Semiconductor material have covalent bonds. B option सही. 32 नंबर for a n-type semiconductor at 0 Kelvin, the Fermi level is situated in the middle of C option say valence band and conduction band. Fermi energy is the maximum energy possessed by electrons at which temperature. B option say 0 Kelvin. When pure germanium is doped with pentavalent impurity, the conduction is due to absence of electrons. The depletion layer in an p-n junction is caused by C option say diffusion of charge carriers. The new voltage for silicon diode is D option say 0.7 volt. Leakage current across p-n junction is due to A option say minority carriers. Electrons in a conduction band are known as C option say free electrons. Addition of trivalent impurity to a semiconductor increases the number of B option say holes. Which of the following semiconductor C option say germanium conductivity of an intrinsic semiconductor is D option Nie bracket में mu n plus mu p. Average energy of an electron at absolute zero temperature 3/5 EF. Fermi distribution function is B equal to B option सही है 1 upon e to power e minus EF upon kT plus 1. The resistivity of an insulator is nearly 10 to power 7 to 10 to power 12 ohm m. The general equation for the Fermi energy of a metal of at 0 Kelvin is A option सही EF equal to 3.65 into 10 to power minus 19 N 2 by 3 electron volt. The unit of Hall coefficient is Vm inverse 3 A inverse WV inverse minus 1. Majority carrier in a semiconductor are option C सही free electrons in N type and holes in P types. The nucleus of an atom consists of a neutrons and protons. The nucleus is the name used for proton and neutrons both. The number of electrons in a nucleus X of atomic number Z and mass number A is 0. The number of electrons in an atom X of atomic number Z and mass number A is option B say Z. The number of neutrons in an atom X of atomic number Z and mass number A is option C say A minus Z. 6 number the number of nucleons in an atom X of atomic number Z and mass number A is option D say A. The volume of nucleus is smaller than that of atoms by factor of 10 to power 12. In radon nucleus there are 138 neutrons and 88 protons. If m is the atomic mass, A is masses number, m minus f1 is called a packing fraction. The average binding energy of a nucleus is 8 m electron volt. The size of nucleus is of the order of 10 to the power minus 14 m. The density of nucleus is of the order 10 to the power 17 kg per meter cube. The binding energy of nucleus is a measure of its absence of stability. The binding energy curve per nucleon as a function of atomic mass number shows a sharp peak for helium nucleus. That implies that the helium is very stable. The energy equivalent to a kilogram of matter is about 10 to power 17 joule. 16 number the reaction taking place in solar and stellar atmosphere are thermonuclear. Option say according to Yukawa theory, the nuclear forces between the nucleons act through the exchange of D option say pi meson. Mass defect of an atom of mass m atomic number z and mass number a is given by इसका डी ऑप्शन सही आप देख सकते हैं 19 नंबर which of the following statement is true for nuclear force तो सी ऑप्शन सही they are short range force 20 नंबर the stable nucleus that has radius half that of Fe 56 is तो इसका ऑप्शन ए सही है 21 नंबर द न्यूक्लियर radius of oxygen is 3 Fermi than the lead तो डी ऑप्शन सही 7 Fermi 22 नंबर न्यूक्लियर quadrupole movement is the zero of spherical nuclide which is not a magic number डी ऑप्शन सही 58 the empirical formula of nuclear radius is B option say R equals to R naught A to power 1 by 3 packing fraction is D option say may be 0 or have positive or negative value binding energy of alpha particle in MeV is B option say 28.3 in the binding energy curve the value of maximum binding energy per nucleon is बी ऑप्शन सही 8.79 मेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट। न्यूक्लियर फोर्सेस आर शॉर्ट रेंज फोर्स which of the following packing fraction m minus a upon a. Radioactivity was discovered by Becquerel. The phenomena of radioactivity is associated with decay of nucleus. Alpha particles are ionized helium atoms. Beta rays are fast moving electrons. Gamma rays are diffraction electromagnetic waves. In which of the following decays the element does not change? Gamma decays. In a radioactivity in a radioactive decay, neither the atomic number nor the mass number change. Which of the following would be emitted in the decay process? D option photon. When a radioactive nucleus emits a beta particle, the mass number of atom B option remains the same. The decay constant of radioactive same is gamma, the half-life and main life of the simple and respectively given by B option. You can see 10 number a nuclide A emitting an alpha and one beta particle. The resulting nuclide B has mass number and atomic number respectively. D option you can see m minus 4 and n minus 1. The half-life period of radioactive simple depend upon nature of the substance. Half-life period of lead is infinite. In the uranium radioactive series, the initial nucleus is and the final nucleus this. In this process, the number of alpha particle and beta particle emitted are respectively B option 8, 6. After 2 hours of the initial amount of certain radioactive isotopes remains undecayed, the half-life of isotope is B option 30 minutes. The half-life of a radioactive element of 5 minutes, the fraction of the simple of this isotope that will remain after 30 minutes is D option 1 by 64. Carbon 14 decay with half-life of about 58 years in a simple of bone. The ratio of carbon 14 to carbon 12 is found to be of what is the free air. This bone may belong to period about X century ago. Then X is nearest to C option 2 into 58. The rate of disintegration of fixed quantity of radioactive substance can be increased by D option. It is not possible. तो इस नंबर देखते हैं ए थोरियम न्यूक्लियस इज फाउंड व्हेन ए यूरेनियम न्यूक्लियस emit an alpha particle. Atomic number of thorium is 90. When an alpha particle captured an electron, it becomes a helium ion. The most penetrating radium of following is gamma rays. You can see this question and answer. 28. Transuranic element has the atomic number greater than 92. Average life of neutrons is 1000 सेकेंड. Its half life will be 693 सेकेंड. Mean life of radioactive substance is shorter than its half life. You can see these questions and answer. Now question: the unit of nuclear reaction cross section is D option bar. You can see this objective question and read this. In 7 number, in the nuclear reaction, X stands for proton. Stripping and pick-up reaction are direct reaction. Which physical quantity is not conserved in nuclear reaction? Magnetic dipole moment. You can solve this question. Sun obtains its radiant energy from fusion process. आपकी sunline. Fusion of a nucleus is achieved by bombarding its neutron. The phenomena of nuclear fusion can be explained by liquid drop model. The most suitable element of nuclear fusion is the element of atomic number 92. Empirical formula for nuclear radius is R equals to R naught A to power 1 by 3. Nuclear reactor is based on nuclear fusions. Vice number, the main source of solar energy is nuclear fusion. The process by which a heavy nucleus is split into the lighter nucleus is known as fission. The percentage of mass which changes into energy in fission of its order 0.1%. The phenomena of synthesis of two lighter nucleus into heavier one is called nuclear fusion. Energy generation in start is mainly due to CFN fusion of light nuclei. Uranium-238 can be fusioned by fast neutrons. Artificial nuclear transmission discovered by rather particle. Cyclotron is used to accelerate proton and alpha particle both. 3 number question you can see. B option say frequency is varied while magnetic field is kept constant. 4 number question you can see and read now. Solve this question. Gregor-Muller quantity defect alpha particles. 6 number initial excitation counter. The magnitude of the output pulse from the photomultiplier BFSN increases with increase of energy of incident particle. In GM counter, the quenching gas is ethyl alcohol. The dead time of GM counter is BFSN 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 seconds. The positive ion accelerated is cyclotron. 10 number, the name of accelerator which does not accelerate at electrons, cyclotrons. Positron was discovered by Anderson. A positron is a particle with the same mass as the of an electron but a positive charge. Antiparticle of electron is positron. A particles having no charge and almost no mass is D option neutrino. The difference between a photon and neutrino is A option spin of photon is 1 and that of neutrino is half. The phenomena of pair production is production of an electron and positron from gamma rays. 7 number you can see B option say pair production. And 8 number, to produce electron positron pair the minimum energy of gamma photons must be B option you can see. This now question 10 number, in a nuclear reaction which of the following is conserved? All of above. D option say a free neutron decays in a proton and electron and D option an anti-neutrino. 12 number question you can see. C option say electron number. 14 number, which one is not a fundamental particle? B option meson. Now you can see and read this question. Proton is made up of C option say quark. Proton has the spin of the values. B option say you can see this question is very most important. Which of the following is a lepton? A option say electron. Which of the following is baryon? B option say neutrino. The antiparticle of electron is C option positron. The rest mass of mu meson is D option 207 me. The rest mass of photon is 0. Which pairs of particle and antiparticle is not correct? C option meson and antimeson. Spin of electron is C option half. The neutrons and protons are grouped in baryons. Spin of electron is C option half. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.